Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and I have these beautiful bracelets I want to share with you. As someone who loves adding a touch of elegance to my everyday style, I recently came across the Badu gold bead bracelet, and it's become my new favorite piece of jewelry to wear daily. Crafted with 14 karat gold plated beads, this bracelet exudes luxury without breaking the bank. Its stretchable, elastic design ensures a comfortable fit for any wrist size, so I can wear it all day without worrying about any type of irritation or it turning my skin a different color. What I love most about this bracelet is its bohemian vibe, perfect for stacking with other bracelets or just wearing solo for a minimalist look. Whether I'm dressing up for a special occasion or adding flair to my casual outfits, I absolutely love how this elevates my style. So with a variety of colors and designs, you won't be disappointed. And that's my point of view.